Prepare corn with eggs and be amazed by the flavor. Start by adding 170 grams of corn to a bowl. Add 2 eggs, 1 cup of cornstarch, chopped parsley and chives to taste. And to taste, salt, black pepper, oregano and paprika. Mix well so everything combines. Now let's move to the skillet where we'll add olive oil to taste. Pour in the beaten eggs. Adjust in the pan, cover, and let it cook for 15 minutes. After this time, use a plate to flip it over, and on this side we'll add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Add grated mozzarella to taste. Be generous. And here, a pinch of oregano which cannot be missed. Cover and let it cook until the cheese melts. We have our corn omelette. It's fantastic. The final touch of melted mozzarella with oregano makes all the difference. If you like this tip, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. If you have any questions or want to suggest a dish, just leave them in the comments below. See you next time.